Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem with your Wi-Fi on your iPhone. So problem unable to join network, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, just try to go to the settings, just open the settings, just find here Wi-Fi and just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can tap on your network and just tap on forget this network and just tap on forget. So after just connect again, so just write password and connect again to your network. Another thing you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And the latest option you can try, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power on your phone again. And also you can try to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on reset, and here you will see reset network settings. So just tap on it and submit resetting network settings. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.